In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a wipe-on and wipe-off text effect. Add your text where it completely aligns with the object. Here I will wipe the text with the van in the video. The text is perfectly aligned. Once I apply the masking, the van will wipe away the text. Go to the Effect Controls tab and scroll to the Opacity panel. Select the pen tool and create a mask around the text. You can zoom in on the output video to create a perfect mask. Don't forget to add the keyframe for mask path. Now select the mask and adjust it accordingly. Move the anchor points as the text overlaps with the object. Keep doing this until the text is completely gone. You can add more anchor points if needed. Now let's see how it looks. Good. Now, let's create the wipe-on effect. Add your text and adjust it according to the object. Select the pen tool from the Opacity panel and create a small mask ahead of the text . Now add a keyframe and select the mask. Gradually increase the size as the object moves away. You can press Alt and use scroll wheel to move frames forward and backwards. Now let's see how it looks. Perfect! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.